If your Windows system is broken, slow, or full of random issues, most people think the only solution is to reset the PC or reinstall Windows completely. However, there's a lesser-known feature built directly into Windows that allows you to repair the system without deleting your files or apps. To access it, click on the search icon, then click on Settings from the menu, and go to Windows Update. From there, click on Advanced Options. Then scroll down to Recovery. Inside this section, you'll find an option called Fix Problems using Windows Update. What this feature does is reinstall the core Windows system files using a fresh version from Windows Update, without deleting your personal files. In most cases, your apps and settings are also preserved, which makes it a safer alternative to a full reset. Now this is the important part. Click on Reinstall Now. This is what actually triggers the repair process. Once you click Reinstall Now, Windows will download the required files and begin the repair process. Your PC may restart multiple times during this process, which is completely normal. Also, keep your device plugged in and connected to the internet to avoid interruptions. This is especially useful if your system has been corrupted, unstable, or slow due to broken updates or system file issues. Instead of manually troubleshooting every problem, this method refreshes the operating system while keeping your environment intact. It's important to understand that this is not a full reset. It's more like a repair installation that replaces damaged system components while keeping your data. However, as with any system-level operation, it's still a good idea to back up important files just in case.